YouTube, it's Dayla back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I slay my baby hairs. This video was highly requested on my Snapchat, so let's not waste time and get to it. Wait, you guys, I forgot something. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so I'm using Gorilla Snot in a toothbrush. Yes, nothing is wrong with a toothbrush. It still gets the same job done. So I just advise that you use a little bit of Gorilla Snot because, as you can see in my hair, I have a little bit of flaking because I use too much. So with your toothbrush, you're bringing down your baby hairs and you're using your fingers to help swoop it. So down, finger, swoop. Down, finger, swoop. I do about 4 of these on each side of my head. It depends on what type of hairline you have or how many you're trying to achieve. You still do the same process. I did that. You do a little extra, get your baby hair like this. This is one side of my head being done. I'm going to fast forward to the other side, but you will still get the point, so don't worry, you guys. Okay, this is both sides done. If you want your baby hairs to last longer or you're just going to be outside sweating, I will use a headscarf like I'm doing now, and I will have this headscarf on about 5 minutes max. So after 5 minutes of having the headscarf on your head, this is what the finished look like. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!